Welcome back for another episode of Knitting, Science, and Crafts. Today we will learn
how to knit. So first we're going to make a slip knot. You're going to take your fingers and twirl them around and pull the yarn through. Then we're going to insert our needle and tighten the yarn. Now we're going to cast on. So we're going to go under this one and under that one and pull it tight. And you have to do it a few times. The desired length of your project. And we're going to insert the right hand needle under the left hand needle and wrap your yarn around and pull it under and off. And we're going to do it again. Wrap the yarn around, pull it under and off. You're going to continue in the same manner until you get to the end of the row. Now we are going to work another row. It is important to make sure that the yarn that you are working with is the yarn that you are pulling from your yarn ball. If you have completed yours correctly, yours should look like this. Thanks for watching Knitting, Science, and Craft.